Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new series. Where have I been for the last 8 months or however long it's been since I put that WoW video up? I've been shooting a lot of video, I've been travelling a lot, I've been working really hard on building the video production business, but for the last couple months I've been speaking to a company called StormTech. They're based out in Vancouver and they're an outdoor clothing brand. I've known about them for the last 10 years through different jobs, so it's been super cool to chat with them and work out what we could do together. So they've sent me a box of their Fall 19 collection, which they've asked me to photograph lifestyle kind of based stuff in the city, in the countryside. But I've also been trying to work out what I want to do video wise for these products. So that got me thinking, and I've come up with an idea. So I've been trying to work out what I want to do with this channel and what content I want to put out on it, and it's taken me back to the roots. That first video that I put out, I was talking about getting out, exploring, adventuring with a dog, just going out and seeing places. So the idea for this project is to kind of take me back to the roots of why I started this channel in the first place, but also being able to have the opportunity to work with clothing brands like StormTech and other outdoor brands, which is a huge passion of mine. I've got a ton of products here, bags, coats, hats, I'm going to show you guys, but this is kind of an introductory video of what's going to be coming out on my channel over the next few weeks, months. See where it goes, you never know. And I need to come up with a outro for these videos, but for now I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video series. That was too quiet. Oh my god. So the idea for this, oh my, come on Tom. Think. So,